Okay, so we'll be starting with the remote. Yes, this is the remote. It has two buttons, the one for iOS and the one for Android. So I'm using an Android phone right now. So you go to the side and on it, like so. Yeah, so you see it blinking. Then you want to go to your phone settings. You go to Bluetooth on it, click it down, then it will take you to the main page for Bluetooth. To search for the device, you see a bit shorter, three, or I don't know the name of your one. You click it, you pair it, then it will see connected. Okay, this for the microphone. It comes with this cord. So before you start, I want you to know that the microphone has two input, or I don't know the better word for it. The one that you'll be plugging with the microphone is this one, this particular one. It has these two lines. Yes, I think they call it, is it TRS or so. Is the one that works well with the microphone. So it's the one that you'll be plugging on the microphone. Yes, like this. Then the other one, the other side, is the one that you'll be plugging with your phone. You'll be connecting with your phone. It has three lines like so. Yes, three lines. They call it the TRRS. It is suitable for phone. If you're using an iPhone, you can get this iPhone adapter. I don't know the name. You will just connect it with this one and plug it to your iPhone. So that is just it. It's very, very easy to use. So after that, you want to go to your phone camera. You want to check if it allows external microphone. For my phone, it doesn't allow it, but you can still check your own. Check it. If it allows it, you will see it. Maybe external mic, external audio source, or something like that. You will see it there and click it. But if it doesn't, you want to go to Play Store or Google Play Store, your iOS store, to download an application that allows external microphone. For mine, I downloaded Open Camera. So you open it. You can download it as well. It's very good. You open it. You would go to settings. You will set it. You will go to video settings. Click on it. Go to audio source. Click on it. Then you will choose external mic if present. I've already clicked on mine already. So after that, you want to make sure you turn on your DND or your airplane mode. It helps with the audio source while recording. It helps with better audio quality while recording. And so that is it, guys. Thank you.